ITF, inverse trigonometric function. As I told you, inverse trigonometric for invertible of any function must be bijective, and trigonometric function are not trigonometric function are periodic, so they are neither one and onto. They are not bijective. In order to make them bijective, we restrict their domain and codomain. So in order to make any function onto function, replace its codomain by its range. And in order to make any function 1, restrict its domain. In that domain where the graph does not take any turn and take every value of its range. I discussed this in previous lecture. So, inverse function represent angles. Inverse function always represent angles, while circular function represent values. Up to class 11th, you have studied circular function like that sin theta is equal to x. This is circular function. Value of theta, sin theta is equal to x. When you will convert it into inverse, theta is equal to sin inverse x. So inverse function always represent angle. Circular function represent values. This can also be written as arc sin x. Generally we denoted it by this. Sometimes it can also be written as arc sin x. The meaning is same. So if tan theta is equal to x, this implies this is circular function. Value of tan theta is x, but theta is equal to tan inverse x. Inverse function always represent angles. This is circular function, this is inverse function. So also be noted, suppose sin inverse x not equal to sin h minus x. This is not power. This is a representation of inverse function not equal to 1 upon sin x. General. This is not power. This is the only representation. Sin inverse x not equal to sin h minus x, not equal to this. Also, you have to remember their range. So remember this table: function, domain, range, remember and graph, diagrammatic representation. your function is sin inverse x or cosec inverse x or tan inverse x, all having same type. Domain is sin inverse x -1 to 1, or you can write this -1 to 1, because f x minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is equal to -1 to 1. F theta is equal to sin theta. When it will become inverse. Now this is bijective because you have restrict this domain as R to R. Codomain replaced by range and restrict this domain minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So it is bijective. When it becomes inverse, F inverse, this range becomes domain -1 to 1 and domain becomes range. So this is domain and this is range. Domain of sin inverse x is this, range is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Also cosec inverse, domain is x cosec is reciprocal of sin, so its domain will be greater than this or less than -1. Domain of real numbers, range is cosec is same, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Also here minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So whole range is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Zero pi by 2 minus pi by 2. If x is greater than 0, x is positive, then principal value lies in first quadrant. Your answer will lie in this. If x is positive, then first quadrant will be used. If x is negative, suppose sin inverse x, then answer of theta will lie in first quadrant. If x is positive, if x is negative, then theta will lie in fourth quadrant. If x is negative, then theta will lie in first quadrant. if x is positive, then theta lie in first quadrant. If x is negative, then theta lie in fourth quadrant. Third quadrant never used. In inverse trigonometric function, third quadrant never used. Next, cos inverse x, sec inverse x, cot inverse x. These are same type. इन तीनों की रेंज सेम है, -π/2 to π/2, -π/2 to π/2. But in 10, open bracket is used, and in cosec, also remember cosec is not defined at 0, so 0 will be subtracted because cosec x is not defined at 0. So remember, range of sin inverse, cosec inverse and tan inverse always lie with -π/2 to π/2. तीनों की रेंज -π/2 to π/2 है. In sin and cosec बाद में कर लेंगे. In sin and cosec, bracket is closed. In tan, bracket is open. Range of cos inverse, sin inverse and cot inverse is also same. Domain of cos inverse minus x to 1. Same, x greater than 1 or x less than -1. Same. Range 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Open bracket 0 to pi. Remember 0 to pi. And diagram 0 to pi angle is formed here to here. Here is pi. This is pi/2. This is negative pi/2. This is 0. When x greater than 0, theta will lie in first quadrant. If x is negative, then theta will lie in second quadrant. Third quadrant never used. So remember this, when x is positive, then answer will lie in first quadrant. If x is negative, then answer will lie in second quadrant. So remember this, range of sin inverse, cosec inverse, tan inverse -π/2 to π/2. In sin and cosec, close bracket is used. Cosec is not defined at π/2. Also, sec is not defined at π/2. So, my dear student, remember this. Range of sin inverse, cosec inverse, tan inverse is -π/2 to π/2. In cosec and sec, in cosec and sin, close bracket is used. In tan or cot, open bracket is used. Range of cosec inverse, sec inverse, cot inverse 0 to pi. in cost and sec, क्लोज ब्रैकेट इज यूज, tan और cot में ओपन है और रेस्ट सभी में क्लोज ब्रैकेट है. You have to remember this. Because answer always lies in this range. अगर आपका cos sec cos cot cos sec cot का क्वेश्चन है, आंसर विल लाई 0 to pi. अगर आपका क्वेश्चन है sin इनवर्स cosec इनवर्स tan इनवर्स, आंसर विल लाई -π/2 to π/2. In this chapter there are lot of formulas, there are many formulas. Now list of important formulas. List of important formula. List of important formulas. Number 1, A category, sin inverse sin theta is equal to theta, and theta will lie in range. Theta belongs to -π/2 to π/2. Cos inverse cos theta is equal to theta, सेम सब में ऐसे ही एक जैसा. tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta, and so on. sec inverse sec theta is equal to theta, cosec inverse cosec theta is equal to theta, cot inverse cot theta is equal to theta, and this theta will lie in the range. This is also like theta belongs to cos 0 to pi, tan theta belongs to open bracket -π/2 to π/2, sec theta belongs to 0 to pi. Cosec same sign. Cot same cos. So this is the first category of formulas. Sin inverse sin theta equal to theta, cos inverse cos theta. Proof is very easy. You can solve any one of, you can verify. Suppose you want to verify this, sin inverse sin theta is equal to theta. Let sin theta is equal to x. Circular function always represent value. So theta is equal to sin inverse x. Now put the value of x here. Sin inverse x is what? Sin theta. So sin inverse sin theta is equal to theta. Let sin theta is equal to x. Let sin theta is equal to x. So its inverse theta is equal to sin inverse x. Put the value of x here. So sin inverse sin theta is equal to theta. So this is the first category of the formulas. Also, second category B, sin inverse x. पहले में sin inverse outside था, here is sin theta, but here is inverse is inside. सर्कुलर के साथ थीटा यूज होता है, इनवर्स के साथ x यूज होता है. This is also x, but here x belongs to minus 1 to 1. Similarly, सब में ऐसे ही चलेगा. cos inverse x is equal to x. tan inverse x equal to x and so on. ऐसे चलेगा etc. यहाँ इनके डोमेन आ जाएंगे जो आपने लिख रखे होगा टेबल में. दिस इज सेकंड कैटेगरी. सभी ऐसे चलेगा नीचे. प्रूफ भी सेम है ऐसे ही. फिर आप इस चैप्टर में फॉर्मूले बहुत हैं. सी कैटेगरी साइन इनवर्स एक्स. साइन का रेसिप्रोकल कोसेक. कोसेक इनवर्स 1 upon x. cos inverse x. Reciprocal of cos is sec. Tan inverse x. Cos inverse 1 by x. ऐसे सारे रेसिप्रोकल चलेंगे. If x greater than 0, minus pi plus cot inverse 1 by x. एक डिफरेंट कंडीशन में फॉर्मूले चेंज होते रहते हैं. tan inverse x is equal to cot inverse 1 upon x. tan inverse x is equal to also minus pi plus cot inverse 1 by x when x is less than 0. This is second category. Third category. Next, sin B category formulas. Sin inverse x plus cosec inverse x. No, sorry, cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Tan and cot, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equal to pi by 2. This is the B category formulas. Next, E category, sin inverse minus x equal to minus sin inverse x. रेंज आपका वही रहेगा, आपका डोमेन cos इनवर्स माइनस x पाई माइनस cos इनवर्स x, tan इनवर्स माइनस x माइनस tan इनवर्स x, cot इनवर्स माइनस x इज इक्वल टू पाई माइनस cot इनवर्स x, sec इनवर्स माइनस x पाई माइनस sec इनवर्स x, sec इनवर्स माइनस x माइनस sec इनवर्स x। तीन फॉर्मूले पाई से माइनस हो रहे हैं। थ्री फॉर्मूलाज आर डायरेक्ट माइनस, sin इनवर्स माइनस x, tan इनवर्स माइनस x and cosec inverse minus x. Minus will come outside direct. What is cos inverse, sec inverse and cot inverse? पाई से माइनस सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा। Remember this, sin, tan and cosec inverse minus x. Minus sign will be outside directly. But in case of cos inverse, cot inverse and sec inverse, pi minus cos inverse x, pi minus cot inverse x, pi minus sec inverse x. This is important formulas. Next category, now let me take your attendance. Attendance is compulsory. So many students are absent. Next category, formula 2 of 2 tan inverse x. This is 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Tan inverse in terms of tan. 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Tan inverse to tan inverse in terms of cos, to tan inverse in terms of sin, to tan inverse in terms of tan. Next category, sin. Next category, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse sin a plus b टाइप का है, sin a plus sin b, sin inverse x root 1 minus y square sin a sin b sin a cos b sin a cos b plus y root 1 minus x square. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to this. Here is minus, then here will be minus. Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. Cos inverse x cos a cos b cos a cos b plus then minus cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. If here is plus, then here will be minus. If here will be minus, then this side will be plus. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. If xy less than 1, लेकिन आपको tan inverse x minus tan inverse, also this formula is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to pi plus same. If x y greater than 1, if product of these numbers is less than 1, then use this. If product of x y greater than 1, then pi will be added in this formula. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. This is our inverse. Next, now some general formula of class 11. Sin 2 sin a cos a, or in terms of tan 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. All the formulas should be in your mind. Cos 2a cos square a minus sin square a cos in terms of sin cos 1 minus 2 sin square a 2 cos square a minus 1 is equal to 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. Cos 2a in terms of sin cos, cos 2a in terms of sin, cos 2a in terms of cos, cos 2a in terms of tan. Cos 2a after cos 2a, tan 2a. 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Next, sin 3a. 3 sin a minus 4 sin qa. Cos 3a 4 cos qa minus 3 cos a. All the formula must be in your mind. Tan 3a 3 tan a minus tan qa upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. Next, tan pi by 4 plus theta is equal to 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Tan pi by 4 minus theta 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. Also यहाँ से कैलकुलेट करके फॉर्मूला